Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hope you are fine. As you know that we have completed the reading and explanation of our lesson, The Flying Machine 2. And today we'll be doing its words meaning and question answers as well. So are you ready? Keep your pencils in your hands and listen attentively. Question number 1 is, who pushed the glider off the rock? And the answer is, Salim and other boys pushed the glider off the rock. Question number 2 is, why did the glider tilt to one side? And the answer is, the glider tilted over on its side because Uncle Salim leaned over and tried to catch the end of broken string. Do you remember? Question number 3 is, did Uncle Salim enjoy his flight? What do you think? Did he enjoy? No, he was not happy. He did not enjoy the flight. Question number 4 is, what happened when Uncle Salim caught hold of the bamboo stick? And the answer is, when Uncle Salim caught hold of the bamboo stick, the glider started to go round and round in circle, getting lower and lower. I hope you have recalled all the lesson which we have read through our question answers. Do write them neatly in your copies. And now come to the page number 63 of your books, and we will do these exercises. Keep your pencils in your hands. You are going to solve these exercises right on the books, okay? What are these? Guess. Some may have two correct answers. Something that. Okay, they want us to. They have given us clues. Let's see how can we do it. Keeps us warm at night. What keeps us warm at night? It can be blanket, it can be fire, isn't it? B is, we can see ourselves in. It can be mirror, and it also can be the water of lake. C is, we can use to stir tea with the teaspoon. D is, we can use to cut with knife or axe. E is, we wear on our heads. What? It can be hat, it can be cap, it can be wig. And the last is, we eat off through plates. So it is plate. Students, on the same page, there is an exercise about conjunctions. You are quite familiar with the word conjunctions, and you know that conjunctions are the joining words. They connect sentences and their phrases and clauses together with these words, like the words for, but, that, because, and, so. They are conjunction words. So we are going to fill these blanks with these given conjunctions, which are suitable ones. The man was young dash smart. The man was young and smart. He was old dash he was strong. He was old but he was strong. C is, she was shouting dash she was angry. She was shouting because she was angry. D is, he was hungry dash he had eaten nothing. He was hungry for he had eaten nothing. E is, you knew dash I was coming. You knew that I was coming. I hope you have understood this activity. Come to the next page, and the last activity of this lesson is, students, we have just selected, we will be doing the selective activities in our lessons, okay? It is very difficult to do all the things, to cover up all the things. So that is why I am going to skip so many and we are just doing selective ones. So the activity D is listening and speaking contractions. Students, they said when we speak, we sometimes join words together. For example, I am becomes I'm. She is becomes she's. You are becomes you're. You see that we are not only shortening these words in spellings but in pronunciation at the same time. Got it? If in your book or anywhere you are writing am, you will not speak it I am. This is the short form of I am, but you will speak it now I'm. She's, your. Got it? So the same way, this exercise, first you will solve it on your books the way I have done, and then you will pronounce it at least twice a time, okay? Pronounce it louder with me. I'm, I am. What's is actually what is. There is actually they are. He's actually he is. She's actually she is. We're actually is we are. Can't is actually cannot. That's is actually that is. It's basically is it is. And you have is word you have. Got it? This is all about the books exercises of our lesson, The Flying Machine 2. Hope you have understood the activities. I would like if you pronounce the last activity more than twice. Okay, it will be helpful for you. Till the last session, inshallah we will meet in our next session with workbook activities. But before that, students, these all things are your classworks, but your homework is different. Students, this is the composition. They said, would you like to go up in a flying machine? Write a paragraph explaining your answer. Okay, let me know one thing. A composition is like a self-writing. It explores you. It let you know that what are your strengths and weaknesses about the lesson so far, or what you have understood about the lesson. So I would like you to engage yourself in collecting and gathering about the particular question that would you like to go up in a flying machine. I want you to write 4 lines minimum about this experience. You can say, teacher, I don't like to go up in a flying machine, but you will have to write the reason as well, okay? And if you want to go to the flying machine, you will have to justify it with your reason, okay? So this is your homework. Inshallah, till our next session, stay blessed and goodbye.